Welcome to Conceal Carry Basics. In this course, I'll lead you through all the necessary information you're going to need to safely and responsibly carry concealed. That will include mindset, the essentials of gear and equipment, responsibilities, how to actually conceal, and different holster options for concealment. Additionally, I'll give you some drills that you can practice at your home range and perhaps at home dry firing to better prepare yourself for concealed carry. Keep in mind, this is Concealed Carry Basics. So in Concealed Carry Basics, we're going to primarily focus on hip-mounted holsters. So strong side hip-mounted holsters would be a hip-mounted holster on your strong side, appendix or small of the back, inside the waistband or outside the waistband, but all on your strong side. In future lessons, we'll focus on other holster options for concealed carry, such as ankle carry, pocket carry, off-body, shoulder holsters, and other options.